Good morning, students. How are you all? Did you celebrate the festival well at home? Are you happy? Enjoying well? Welcome to EVS class. Last class, we already studied chapter 5, Plants Around Us. Chapter 5, Plants Around Us. We have seen last day parts of a plant. We have seen last day parts of a plant. Here all the parts shown: leaf, fruit, flower, stem and root. We have seen again detailed way all the parts. There are two types of roots, tap root and fibrous roots, and we have seen the stem example for ginger, and what are the uses of stem carries water and nutrition to all the parts of the plant. Leaf, we have seen the leaf, we have seen flower, then fruits, seeds, then types of plants. Already first class we explained types of plants. We know that very big plants are called trees. Trees, shrubs, climber, creeper, then herbs, everything we learn. Today we will study more about different plants are growing different places. Different plants. Here we see plants are found almost everywhere. Plants are found almost everywhere. They grow in water. कुछ plants पानी में बढ़ रहे हैं. On mountains कुछ plants पहाड़ी में बढ़ रहे हैं. In desert means रेगिस्तान में कुछ plants रेगिस्तान में बढ़ रहे हैं. And in plain कुछ plants मैदानी इलाकों में बढ़ रहा है. So read the given table to understand the type of plants. So here given the tables where the plants are growing. Here you see place विभिन्न स्थानों में बढ़ रहा है. प्लांट्स बारे में एक्सप्लेन कर दिया इधर. सो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, विभिन्न स्थानों में डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. We have seen that different plants are growing different places. Place, mountains पहाड़ों में कौन सी तरह के छोटा प्लांट्स के ना? Ferns, orchids, blue poppies. What is in mountains? We have seen the big type of plants, oak, deodar, pine. Then what is the special features of the place? Mountain place. So विशेष लक्षण that place बारे में what we can tell? Mountain slopes, very cold climate, वातावरण very cold climates. In winters can have snow. Snow means barf. All these things. Next one, plains. Plains means we have seen that is plains. हमारे घर के पास किसान काम कर रहा है, क्या तुम देखा? Plains. So what kind of cultivation they are doing? Rice, small plants, rice, wheat, roses, tulips, etc. Big plants, mango, banyan tree, guava and gooseberry. So what is the speciality of that place? Flat lands, cold in winter and warm in summer. The next one we see desert. Desert रेगिस्तान में what kind of small plants? Cactus, कांटेदार का पौधा, you know already. So next, what is the big plant there? Desert, date palms. When we are eating the dry fruits. You have seen date fruits. So these are getting from the date palms. So what is the specialty? We can see sandy. Sandy means Ratila. Sandy means Ratila, that place. Less rain. Desert में less. Very hot during daytime and very cold at night. रात में what very cold. रात में cold. Daytime it is very hot. The next one, water bodies. We have seen कुछ पानी कुछ plants पानी में बढ़ रहे हैं. What are small plants पानी में बढ़ रहे हैं? Lotus, water lilies and duckweeds. What is big plants? Pumpkin ash, mangrove, etc. Next, what is the specialty of the water? Fresh water or salt water? Salt water मतलब नमक का taste है, नमक. नेक्स्ट फ्रेश वाटर मीन्स गुड वाटर. अच्छा पानी ड्रिंकिंग सकते हैं ना, और इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर लिविंग फॉर फिश और समथिंग एल्स. फ्रेश वाटर इज़ अवेलेबल. देन वी विल सी देर आर सम प्लांट्स दैट ईट इंसेक्ट्स ऑल्सो. इंसेक्ट्स मतलब कीड़ा. सम इंसेक्ट्स दे आर ईटिंग. So you can see some leaves, there is the thorns, कांटा के तरह के some kind of leaves are there. These plants trap small animals or insects and get the required nutrients. So nutrient items they are getting for the growing of the plant. Nutrition means that is पोषक पदार्थ. These three plants are what kind of plants? These three plants are eating insects and getting nutrition from that plants. From whatever the items they are eating from, they are getting enough for the plants. The next one, plants around the globe. Here you see, ask your parents. Ask your parents which fruits and vegetables were not available in the market when they were children. अपना parents when they were childhood like you, that time some kind of example for this type of fruits or vegetables are not available. Why? There are three reasons. First one, there is no new technology. New technology means नई तकनीक. नई तकनीक there wasn't. New technology was not there. Then improved farming. Farming means we already have seen that is किसान वाले का काम करने ना ज़्यादा improved. Before no improved, that is why they are not getting improved farming methods. आज improved farming methods, that is why we are getting all fruits. And better transportation. Transportation means here to there vehicles are available to transport, to bring things from other countries to our countries and our countries to other countries. They are transporting the things. So before olden days there was no transportation, there was no farming methods improved, there was no technology. But today these three things are available. That is why we can get all kinds of fruits and vegetables from the market. What are the new fruits or other vegetables we are getting from other countries? Broccoli, then baby corn, kiwi, etc. Now we will see uses of plants. Uses of plants. You know already, plants have different uses. Plants give us many things. What are the things give us? We get fruit from the plant, we get vegetables from the plant, or grains, nuts, tea, your mother is preparing coffee or tea. All these things we are getting from the plant. Sugar or sugar cane is there, from there we are getting that sugar. Different plants, different items we are having. Plants give us shade and clean air. So we get shade and clean air also. We get wood for furniture. Woody items means table or chair, bench, everything. Wood. लकड़ी का तना यूज़ करने ना, after they are preparing, it is furniture, bench, chair, all these things. Then trees are home to many animals. Trees are home to many animals. Birds are keeping their nest on the trees. You have seen that is. And there are different kinds of things we are getting from spices. What are black pepper or other spices are there, cardamom, pepper. Then we are getting other things. Then sunflower and mustard they are using and getting oil. Then some perfumes are preparing from the plant, rose flowers and jasmine flowers. So totally we can tell that is plants are our good friends. Plants are our good friends and we must save them. So we have to try to keep the plants in our house, in our village, in our country, all these things. We should give more importance growing plants. Now we will go through the question answers.